In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by pinching your device's display and clicking on this gear at the bottom right corner. Then select More. Click on Icon Size and operate this slider in order to adjust them. You can check out preview above. When you finished, you can simply click on Home button or on the Back button. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner or select Home button again. As you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!